Hey, what's up guys? So right behind me we have a super exciting project. Although this Bentley Bentayga Speed is in an absolutely gorgeous color, the owner could not wait and could not find any stock for a black one. So what we're about to do is something really crazy. We're about to do the entire car in black protection film. So we're talking about the entire exterior. Not only that, but the team has already started taking apart the doors and removing the trims just so we can even wrap the inside of the doors. So this is going to be a complete inside out conversion, plus we're going to be doing a two-tone on it. So for those of you who are not really familiar with this beautiful truck, this thing is insane. It has a W12 motor that produces over 600 horsepower, over 600 pound-feet of torque, and can go up to 306 kilometers an hour. So what we're doing on this thing is the protection film. This to make sure that when he's driving fast, it's not gonna chip the paint or the vinyl, and it's gonna be a lot longer lasting. So without further ado, we're about to get started, and Raj is already in on his side, getting the inside of the doors prepped. This could be a long project, but I hope you guys enjoy it. Little update of what's going on the Bentley Bentayga right now. So this brand of material, GSWF, is the first time we're actually using it, and it's turning out pretty nice. We really like the gloss. We really like how it installs. But more about what we have done already on this is we did the entire two-tone on the entire interior of the door jambs, on the top, on the hood, and even inside the doors. These are already all done. So what we got left to do now is we're gonna install the front doors. Then we can really align where we're gonna finish the two-tone on the fenders. And we have the two bumpers to finish in the material. But let me show you guys something that's super cool. So this is actually paint protection film that is colored. So they're coming out with more and more of these protection films that have color in them. And to show you, what's nice is that they actually have the self-healing that you normally find in regular protection films. Normal scratches, especially on black cars, you're definitely gonna get these from, you know, regular wear and tear and washes. But with the film, with a bit of heat, let that warm up. A bit of heat, do you see that go away? Do you see that disappear? Right here? See that? So normally this would happen on any warm day in the sun. Guys, prepare to see what we have done. This is the first, I think this is the most extensive job that we have ever completed. This entire Bentley Bentayga used to be white. So it has a couple of combinations of things that we actually did on it. And the first thing that we actually did was not satin, a gloss black paint protection film that was applied on the entire vehicle, and then we put an overlay of Innosatek's metallic red to give it that beautiful two-tone. And because this truck used to be white, we actually opened up the doors, removed them, and wrapped the entire interior completely in black and the two-tone to match the exterior. So we didn't just stop at the door jambs. We actually went all the way to do the trunk also. So when you open the trunk, it looks like it's factory finish. So just to show you guys how new this truck was, everything is still packaged up in the packaging. We haven't even removed the protective seat cover yet, but I am so happy with how this turned out. The finish is beautiful and the team absolutely nailed it. So the two types of materials that were used were 𝐂𝐇𝑑𝐿 and our first time installing the GSWF Gloss Deep Black. And let me tell you, it absolutely has the Gloss Deep Black. We tested out the self-healing and it's incredible. So there were small swirls on it, heated out perfectly. So on a nice warm day like this, and there's still snow, on a day like this, the swirl marks will heal by themselves, which is really impressive. So the added bonus is you don't need to do a vinyl wrap and then a protection film. You got it all in one film. So that's super nice and it's easy to change if ever it does get into a little accident. And yeah, I just want to say, guys, extremely impressed with the 𝐂𝐇𝑑𝐿 material, extremely impressed with GSWF's material. Although we were a bit short on material, we did manage to stretch it out and make it happen. And just a final detail, we actually matched the calipers to the two-tone. So they used to be black and we actually got them painted to match the red, and we put back the Bentley logo cleared on top to make it really factory OEM. So I hope you guys like this finish. I hope you guys like the videos that we are producing for you guys, and we will see you guys next time on the next video. Take care.